Hello everybody. Okay, so this isn't actually a DIY project. I'm just unboxing a sign kit that you put your numbers to your house in front of the house and on the house, and I'm going to show you the finished product. All right, y'all. So I ordered this solar address house sign number thingies for my yard. I just got it. I'm about to unbox it. It ain't gonna be able to work right now because they haven't charged it, but I'm gonna put it together. I'm so excited. Okay, it's got two stakes that go in the ground. These are part of the pole that you put together to make it look. Okay, it's got these little things right here. These got the numbers. This is how it looks, and then it goes into that little pole. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm excited. This is the unit itself. And it goes, y'all. So I'm gonna put it together, and I'm gonna go take it and put it in front of my yard. Yeah. So if you want to see how it lights up, that's how it does. All right, guys, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go over there and put it in the ground because I can't wait to put it in the ground. And I got this one for the house. I'm gonna put this one on the house because I don't like them little numbers they put on my house. I didn't ask for this. They put some little ugly numbers on my house. And this came with a bunch of extra ones in case they start getting bad. I can replace them. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I put this out there, and it was nighttime, so even though it looks a little bright right here, it's actually dark. And I don't know, maybe my flashes was probably making it where you can't see the numbers. But I was standing on the other side of the street and I couldn't really see the numbers, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. And then this is what it looks like in daylight. And I actually put the sign up on the house too, because at first it was just numbers that they put on the house that I just didn't like. So I love the sign that's on the house.